What is up, guys? Sean from Tradesmen territory here. Got a nice little video for you guys. So we got our Volvo Mini Excavator 40 versus Massive Rock. So we had two machines out on this job for this conduit run. So right here we're just connecting the trenches, and of course a couple feet left to go. We find this massive boulder, and let me tell you, she put up a fight, but these Volvo Mini Excavators are strong, super strong, and took a little time to get this rock out of the way. We thought we were gonna end up taking it out of the hole, but we ended up digging to the side of it and then moving it over. So we got a nice little time lapse here, and then we'll slow it down for you guys so you can actually hear what's going on and see what we end up doing with a rock. So without further ado, hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It'll help us grow our page. So let's enjoy the video. So we don't end up getting the rock out of the hole, so I skipped a few little parts. We start digging deeper over on that left side. So we dug that hole a little bit there, and now it's time to flip her in. The battle was lost, the war was won. We continue to lay some trench, and we got the job done here.